Understanding, Put It on Layaway, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common but sometimes confusing phrase in English. Put it on layaway. Whether you're shopping in the US or just curious about English idioms, this phrase is quite useful to know. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it. Put it on layaway is a phrase used in retail shopping. It refers to a payment plan offered by some stores where a customer can reserve a product by paying a small deposit up front. The item is held by the store while the customer pays the rest of the price in installments over a period. Once the full price is paid, the customer can take the item home. This system is beneficial for those who can't afford to pay the entire amount at once. Layaway plans became popular during the Great Depression, when money was tight, and credit cards weren't yet a thing. It allowed people to secure essential items without needing immediate full payment. Though less common today due to the prevalence of credit cards, layaway is still offered by some retailers, especially during the holiday season, as it enables customers to plan and budget for big purchases. To use "put it on layaway" in a sentence, imagine a scenario where you're buying something but can't pay in full right away. For example, I really want this television, but I can't pay for it now. Can I put it on layaway? They've put their holiday gifts on layaway to ease the financial burden. Understanding similar phrases can broaden your English language skills. Related phrases include installment plan. This is a broader term that also refers to paying for something in parts over time. Rain check, although used differently, this term also relates to delaying a purchase or action. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, "put it on layaway." It's a great example of how English language evolves with culture and economic practices. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase next time you're discussing shopping or finances in English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.